Guys, we're grilling lobster tails in my Ninja Foodi Grill. Coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, hit the alert bell. Do not forget about the alert bell, all right? It's very important. All right, guys, today we're just gonna do some simple lobster tails. We got some nice little ones from the seafood counter at the market. Just gonna go nice and easy. Probably only gonna take 2 or 3 minutes. The longest part is probably getting the foodie grill heated up. But it's gonna be easy as can be. Gonna be a little butter, a little parsley, a little garlic. You're gonna good to go. Okay, a little salt and pepper maybe. Check it out. All right, so I'm gonna get you over here on the Ninja Foodi Station, and we'll get cooking. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're over on the Ninja Foodi Station, otherwise known as our kitchen island. So we hit start. We're gonna get this thing going. We're gonna preheat it. We're gonna do grill max on high. So there you go, 500 degrees. Hit start. It'll take about 8 minutes to preheat. In the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these beautiful little lobster tails ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it down the middle, break it open, and then grill both sides of the meat on the grill. Okay, so you're gonna go right to back to the last part of the tail here. Just slice down. Okay. So we're gonna grill it this way, on the grill. All right, cool. Real that simple, let's do it again over here. Careful, knives are sharp. Slice down. Again, split it up. I'm gonna grill it, that way we're getting maximum grill marks on the lobster meat. All right, and we're good to go. So the next thing we're gonna do before we get this in the grill, just gonna spray down the meat side with some canola oil. And then when it's finished, we're gonna brush it with butter, a little parsley, and a little garlic. All right, that's it until this thing gets going, so come on. The one thing we're gonna do is I got a little cracked black and a little kosher salt here, and I'm just gonna do a couple pinches over the top. Get some good seasoning on. All right. Okay, guys, our preheating is done. Let's take our lobster tails, get them on there. I'm putting them on the biggest grill spots so we can get nice grill marks on there. And pushing them down so everything gets nice and contacted. Okay. Now we're just gonna let it go a couple minutes. Check the temp. We're going for like 135, 140. And so it should be only like 2 or 3 minutes. All right, come on back. Okay, we're 2 minutes in. I've moved them around a little bit. We're temping out about 130. So we only got probably about 1 more minute to go. But I just want to make sure they're good to go. All right. Okay, guys, we let it go a little bit more than 3 minutes. So let's check them out. Got some nice sear marks on there, grill marks. Check out the other one. All right, looking good, looking good. Let's check that temperature. Let's check that temperature real quick. 143, 145, we're doing pretty good there. Let's check out this one. 160, all right, we definitely crossed the threshold. Now what I wanna do right quick is get some garlic butter put on these already. Now this is just 3 tablespoons of butter with a little bit of minced garlic in there. Okay, just gonna let it kiss it a little bit. Get it nice and lovely. And you know I'm keeping this butter to dip it in. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna get this on the cutting board. Take the thumbnail, and then we'll talk about it. Alright guys, we're back, got it on the cutting board. Got it cut up, got the thumbnail taken. Got this nice little bite right there. Of course, you know we're gonna dip it in some butter and garlic. Get, cover up the rest too. You know, just put it on there. Wow. That lobster meat's so sweet, so tender, so delicious. Not much of the char grill, but there's a little bit on there. But you put it on there too long, you're gonna overcook the lobster. So I'd rather go with a little bit of char marks and get the nice tender, correctly cooked lobster. All right, come on back and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, we are done. That lobster was tasty as can be. I loved it. This is definitely something you guys should give a shot. All right, it's really easy to do, pretty foolproof. Make sure you have a thermometer, whether it's one that came with the Foodi Grill or just another one that you have for your grill or whatever, okay? Keep it out about 140, 145, and you'll be good to go, all right? That's it for this week, guys. Oh, yeah, hey, check out the merch. Link below, all right? If you guys want to get yourself one of these Foodi Grills too, the link will be down below, and I'll pin it in the comments. It's my Amazon store. Don't cost you anything extra, but it helps out the channel, all right? That's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.